I have been so busy making oils and bar soaps that I allowed my laundry to pile up. Come do laundry with me. So, if you're looking for a washing machine because you can't make it to the laundromat and it's just you, I guess it's good for two peoples, but it's perfect for me. So let me show you my washing machine. So here are the features of this Black & Decker mini washing machine. It is digital. It has a timer, it has a pause button and all the things, different settings. The capacity is decent. It has a water filter that you can do yourself. It has a lint trap that is easy to pop off and pop on. It is really good. And because it has wheels, there are insert handles on each side to help pull it and push it. And it's so convenient for me in my situation. The socket's right there next to my sink. And so the washing machine came with everything that was needed. The connectors for the faucet, hose, and the drain pipe. I tape it because it makes me feel better. And this video is brought to you by Oils and Bars Soaps. Oils and Bars oat milk and cantaloupe soap are made with moisturizing oat milk, cleansing coconut oil, and hydrating fresh cantaloupe. Get you some Oils and Bars oat milk and cantaloupe soap today.
Get with the program. I love her soap.
So this mini washer has a lot of settings, and it has an alarm for when the clothes are done and if somebody opens the lid, and it washes the clothes perfectly. My clothes come out so clean and fresh. And the spin cycle is dope with this washing machine. Your clothes come out nearly dry. And so afterwards, I have to always bleach my sink out. I bleach everything all the time. And look at my cloths. Pow, pow, pow. Holes all in my dishcloths, but I always have me some fresh new ones. So anyway, don't forget to like this video, follow me, subscribe to me, leave a comment. Let me know if you bleach everything too. Thank you for watching.